This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Adidas app and signing in. This ties your device to the order. Once logged in, go straight to Orders and find the purchase. Check the status. Only processing orders can be canceled. Make sure you have the order number and the card or wallet used. This speeds verification. If you see shipped, stop. Cancellation in-app won't work. Instead, prepare for a return. Now, with the right order visible, tap it to begin the cancellation flow. You're on the order details page. Look for the cancel order button and tap it. That begins the one available in-app flow. Next, select a cancellation reason from the list so Adidas records why. This doesn't affect approval. Then confirm your choice when prompted and follow any on-screen verification steps, such as re-entering your password or approving via email. Once done, expect an on-screen confirmation and a reference number. Save that screenshot. After confirming cancellation, check your email for the confirmation and refund estimate. Refunds typically follow the original payment method. Timing varies by bank. If you discover the status was shipped before you canceled, don't panic. Wait for delivery and use the app's return process. Returns are the fallback. If you don't get confirmation or the refund is delayed, contact Adidas support within the app or by phone. Provide your order ID and reference screenshot. That resolves most problems quickly and cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.